Objective Geology, multiple choice questions with answers. This is the solved question paper of Uttarakhand AEG Geology 2013 question paper, and I hope this solved question paper is useful for various competitive exams like CSR, NET, GATE, GSI and other exams. Welcome to set 4. Coming to the first question. Water that is good enough to drink is called as A. groundwater, B. surface water, C. potable water, D. artesian water. Water that is good enough to drink is called as a potable water. Next question. Which of the following is responsible for acid rain? The choices are A. CO2, B. NH4, C. O3, D. SO2. So, the correct option is SO2. So, SO2 is responsible for acid rain. Acid rain results when sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are emitted into the atmosphere and transported by wind and air currents. Next question. Which of the following instruments is not used for chemical analysis of rocks or minerals? The choices are A. ICP-MS, that is induced coupled plasma mass spectrophotometer, B. atomic absorption spectrophotometer AAS, C. spectrophotometer and D. scanning electron microscope SEM. So, obviously SEM is not used for the chemical analysis of rocks and minerals. A scanning electron microscope, it works by using a focused beam of electrons to scan a sample surface. The SEM's electron column, it contains lenses that focus the beam onto the sample, and the resulting signals reveal the information about the sample surface. So, SEMs are used to study the topography of the materials and are a versatile instrument for material sciences, and these are not used for chemical analysis. So, D is the correct option. Next question. The maximum permissible limit for fluoride in drinking water is A. 5 milligrams per liter, B. 3 milligrams per liter, C. less than 0.5 milligrams per liter and D. 1.5 milligrams per liter. So, obviously 1.5 milligrams per liter, it is the permissible limit, and more than 1.5 milligrams per liter, it leads to dental fluorosis, and more than 3 milligrams per liter, it causes skeletal fluorosis. Next question. From the point of view of origin, find the odd one out. The choices are A. halite, B. gypsum, C. galena, D. carnallite. So, from the point of view of origin, galena is different from halite, gypsum and carnallite, because all these are like halite, gypsum and carnallite, they are evaporite minerals. So, that is why galena is the correct option. Next question. The boundary between the saturated and unsaturated zone of water in the earth is called as A. aquifer, B. water table, C. porosity, D. aquiflume. The correct option is water table. The boundary between the saturated and unsaturated zones of water in the earth is called the water table, and the saturated zone is the area below the water table where all the pores and rock fractures are filled with water. B. water table is the correct option. Next question. Out of the following, which is the best aquifer? The choices are A. sandstone, B. clay, C. gravel, D. granite. So, gravel is the best aquifer because it is a porous and permeable material, and it is made up of loose rock fragments. So, naturally occurring gravel deposits are important aquifers because of their high hydraulic conductivity. So, C. gravel is the correct option. Next question. What type of information we cannot get from a topo sheet study? A. drainage, B. land use pattern, C. water bodies and D. rock types. So, obviously rock types information we do not get from the topo sheet, whereas drainage, land use pattern and water bodies you can get the information from the topo sheet. Next question. The subsurface water zone lying below the capillary fringe is known as A. Vadose water zone, B. capillary water zone, C. phreatic water zone, D. soil water zone. The subsurface water zone lying below the capillary fringe is known as a vadose water zone. This is also called as the unsaturated zone or zone of aeration. Next question. Bhakra Dam is constructed on which river? The choices are Bias, B. Sutlej, C. Ravi, D. Chenab. The correct option is Sutlej. So, Bhakra Dam is constructed on Sutlej river. The Bhakra Dam, it is built on the Sutlej river in Himachal Pradesh, India, and the dam is located near the Nangal city on the border of the Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. So B is the correct option. Next question. Arsenic pollution causes A. Skin problem, B. Lung problem, C. Heart problem, D. Stomach problem. Arsenic pollution, it causes a skin problem. The long-term exposure to arsenic can cause a skin problem, and it includes hyperpigmentation, that is nothing but the darkening of the skin patches, and warts and lesions. So these are warts and other skin lesions on the skin, and hard patches. Hard patches can develop on the palms of the hands and soles of the feet. So arsenic pollution causes skin problem. A is the correct option. Next question. Global positioning system GPS gives the value of A. Longitude, B. Latitude, C. Elevation, D. All above. So global positioning system GPS, it gives the value of longitude, latitude and elevation. So that's why D is the correct option. Next question. Science of measurement of ground distance and elevation in aerial photograph is A. Remote sensing, B. Stereoscopy, C. Photogrammetry, D. Photogeometry. So the correct answer is C. Photogrammetry. Photogrammetry is the science of making measurements from the photographs, including aerial photographs, to determine ground distances and elevations. So C. Photogrammetry is the correct option. Next question. The best band for the study of the soil and geological discrimination is A. Band 4, B. Band 5, C. Band 6, D. Band 7. So the best band for the study of soil and geological discrimination is known as a band 5. So this band is sensitive to the moisture and is used for soil and rock discrimination, monitoring soil moisture and vegetation, and it can also separate the water bodies from barren and croplands. So B is the correct option. Next question. Which among the following is the instrument to view aerial photograph in 3 dimensions? The choices are A. Stereogram, B. Stereoscope, C. Stereophone and D. Theodolite. The instrument used to view the aerial photograph in 3 dimensions is known as a stereoscope. So stereoscopes are optical devices that help to view the 2 images separately and with relaxed eyes. And this lens or pocket stereoscopes, they permit viewing the full overlap area of the prints up to 9 centimeters and 13 centimeters or parts of larger prints. So B. Stereoscope is the correct option. Next question. The point vertically below the camera lens on the ground is termed as A. Ground point, B. Nadir point, C. Prospective center, D. Isocenter. The point vertically below the camera lens on the ground is termed as a Nadir point. So the Nadir point is the point where a vertical line through the optical center of the camera lens intersects the ground, and this ground principal point, the Nadir is the point vertically beneath the camera center at the time of exposure. So B. Nadir point is the correct option. Next question. In a dam site where rock have open joints, it would need A strong foundation, B. Arch dam, C. Concrete dam and D. Grouting. In a dam where the rock have open joints, it would need a grouting. In engineering geology, so this grouting is a ground improvement technique that involves injecting a liquid, semi-solid or a mixed suspension into the earth's crust to fill voids, spaces, cracks and cavities. And grouting is used for a variety of purposes like controlling water problems, increasing stability, eliminating future settlements and improving the water tightness. So D is the correct option. Degrouting is the correct option. Next question. What is the term for an impermeable formation that neither absorbs nor transmits water? A. Aquifer, B. Aquifuse, C. Aquiclude, D. Aquitard. So aquifuse is nothing but it's a impermeable formation. It neither absorbs nor transmits water. So it's a geological formation that does not allow water to pass through it, unlike an aquifer which stores and transmits water. Aquifuses are important in hydrogeology because they help manage and protect water resources by directing water movement underground. So B. Aquifuse is nothing but an impermeable formation, neither absorbs nor transmits water. Next question. Darcy is a unit of coefficient of A. Transmissibility, B. Permeability, C. Porosity, D. Specific permeability. So the correct option is Darcy is a unit of coefficient of permeability. A Darcy is a unit of permeability and it's named after Henry Darcy, and it is used in petroleum engineering, geology, biophysics and biomechanics. 1 Darcy is defined as the flow of 1 cubic centimeter of fluid with a viscosity of 1 centipoise through a cross-sectional area of 1 square centimeter under a pressure gradient of 1 atmospheric per centimeter. So Darcy is a unit of permeability. Next question. What is the term for the opening that controls the discharge of surplus water from a reservoir? The choices are A. runway, B. drain, C. spillway, D. fracture. So the correct option is a spillway. A spillway is a structure built on or near a dam that allows the water to flow safely away from a reservoir during normal operations and floods. And spillways are a critical part of a dam, and these are designed to protect the dam's integrity, to prevent adverse safety, environmental or economic impacts, and release surplus water or flood water from a reservoir, and it will convey the water to a downstream river or channel. Hope you have followed these questions. See you in the next video. Thank you for your time.